Go, Ellie.
There we go. And duck. And duck. Oh, no, duck. Oh, no, duck. Duck. One more round. Oh, there's a duck. Duck.
Now Daddy's really exhausted.
No, it's not that bad.
That's it, Daddy? I'm just like, that's it. I want more. Oh.
She wants to run now.
I know. Gotta learn how to walk before you run, Ellie. Oh, oh.
You okay?
Hey, she's not crying. That's all that matters.
Oh. Good job. Yay.
I know.
Good job.
That wasn't enough, Daddy.
Look at her.
But I'm so sad now. You're not ducking me.
Well, I can't give it to her now that she's whining about it.
She's not really whining. She's just being a little fuss muffin. Our parent wants in too.
Yay! Good job. Ready? Good job. Don't go backwards.
Okay, peace out, Daddy.